Let's explore how Brisk can help streamline one of the most time consuming tasks, writing emails. As educators, we have so many administrative tasks that do take a lot of time. So, who doesn't love a little help to make this part of our job a lot easier? So, I like to start off from a Google Doc. Brisk tends to find you wherever you need some help. So, the icon does show up on the bottom right hand corner. So, I can just initiate Brisk by clicking that icon, and then I have the create button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And then you'll start off by seeing the curriculum items. But if I scroll down, there are some other categories, one of which is administrative tasks. And they do have an email option right here for us. So I'm going to click on email. And then I can just look at the dialog box. It's asking for the prompt. So I want to put in a little more detail about what the email should be about. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste in something I had already prepared. So this prompt says, write an email to a parent who is concerned because her son James is struggling in his math class. And I gave a little more detail about what I would like in the email. So I'm going to just go ahead and click Brisket. Before I do, I just want you to note that you can change the language as well, which is a really nice feature. So I'm going to click Brisket. It's now going to begin generating the email. And as it generates, I'm going to kind of take a quick look at it. And I'm also going to think if there are any revisions that I want to make, because of course I can make any changes. So now that it's complete, it does give me the option right here to rewrite it. And I do like that they give you some standard common choices. Maybe you just want it to be shorter. Maybe you want more detail. Maybe you want to translate it because you didn't change the language. So there definitely are some options. You can also put something in the box here. So if I don't want I don't like the numbered list option, I'm going to say instead of numbers, please use paragraph format. And let's see if it can revise that a little bit for me and get rid of the numbered items there. And again, once it's finished, of course, you can just go in and make any tweaks that you'd like. Okay, it looks a little better. I'm going to close out of this window. And then, of course, I'm going to go through and make whatever changes. You'll notice some things do show up in brackets, and those would be things, obviously, that you would want to fill in. In this case, we're sharing when we offer tutoring sessions. And again, if you don't offer that, just highlight that and take that out. So, of course, make whatever tweaks you'd like. And then when you're finished, you can just highlight the whole thing, copy it, and then go into your email program, paste it right in, and send it to the parent. So overall, again, just a nice quick way to customize an email and give you a really nice starting point, and then, make whatever tweaks you'd like. But it's a great quick way to generate professional emails that show sympathy, empathy, whatever it is that you would like to show, without sacrificing quality. It definitely saves a whole lot of time.